All right, then we're going to do an example, trying to figure out 7 angles, given a couple of them, trying to figure out the rest. All right, we're going to start out with number 1 here. What are we going to do here to figure out what angle 1 is?
Add 69 and 47.
Why do I need to do 69 and 47?
So you can subtract it from 180. And
okay, so 69 and 47?
Is 116.
Equals 116. That's very good. Why did I subtract it from 180?
So you can find out what it is. It's on a linear pair.
Because angle 1 and this angle form a linear pair. That's very good. So that means angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 116, which is 64 degrees, and that was because they formed a linear pair. Very good. Now let's move over to number 2. If I know that this one is 64 degrees, what can I do?
Oh, you add 63 and 64.
Why? How's this going to help me if I add 63 and 64?
And you'll subtract it from 180.
Is 127. Why do I want to subtract it from 180?
Because the triangle equals 180 degrees.
All triangles equal 180? That is angle sum theorem. Very good. So there's my angle sum theorem. So if I do 180 minus 127, what do I get? 53 degrees. Very good. Page of angle 3. Now, this one's kind of an easy one. Could be tough. Depends on how you want to do it.
If you add the 63,
Lots of different ways I could do this. Shelby was talking about taking 63 and 62, or angle 2, and making it the exterior angle. That's vertical. It is also a vertical angle with this angle. What was this angle equal to?
116.
116. So I might just do the vertical angle because that looks about to be the easiest. So I put vertical angles. Remember, we still play freeze. Need me to freeze? 7-1. Page of angle 4 and angle 5 are equal to each other. That means that I can draw this in. All right. Now, if I've got 4 and 5 are equal to each other, I know that angle 3 is 116. How am I going to figure out what 4 and 5 are?
Subtract it from 80 divided by 2.
Subtract it from 180. Why do I want to subtract it from 180?
Because that's the distance around.
Not the distance around. That's because of the angle sum theorem.
So the 32.
Why do I want to divide by 2?
Because they're both congruent.
They're both congruent to each other, so they're going to be the same thing. So if I cut it in half, right, divide by 2, I get 32. And 32. Very good. All right, moving over here to angle 6. What do I know about angle 6?
It's a linear pair with 136.
Okay, so I got a linear pair. What do I do with linear pairs? All right, so I got 180 minus 136.
44 degrees.
44 degrees.
But I'm confused. How'd you get that?
6 and 136 form a linear pair.
Oh, okay.
Good there? Got a straight line. 136 here, 44 is going to make it equal to 180. Page of angle 7. It's my last one. I do not want to use angle sum theorem anymore. What else could I use? I cannot use angle 6.
Oh, isn't it the one with the little...
Got it?
Exterior angle theorem.
Yeah.
Exterior angle theorem. What are the two on the inside called? Remote interior angles. What do my two remote interior angles have to add up to? 136, because that's my exterior angle. So how am I going to figure out what angle 7 is? 136 minus 47 degrees is equal to?